In this video, I will show you how to reset your laptop and make it feel like new again. First, click on the Windows icon and open Settings. From there, go to Update and Security, and then click on Recovery from the left sidebar. Here, you will find an option called Reset this PC, so click on it. Now, you will see two options. One says, Keep my files, which removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files, and the other says, Remove everything, which completely wipes your laptop for a fresh start. I'll choose Remove everything. After that, you will be asked how you would like to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download, which downloads a fresh copy of Windows from the internet, or Local Reinstall, which uses files already on your device. Select the option that suits you best and click Next. It may ask for your password, and once you confirm, your laptop will start resetting. After the process is complete, your laptop will be like new again. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.